Hello, my friends. I have purchased every Amazon product. Last time I bought every Samsung product, so this time I had to up the stakes by buying literally everything that has the Amazon logo on it. I think we've made a very bad mistake. This is dumb. Not gonna lie, the more of these I open, I'm actually starting to have a little bit of fun right now. Well, that's exactly what it says on the box. The cube.
Looks like the Allspark.
Oh, this is cool. This is cool.
What is it?
You'll see. Hang on. Ta-da! It's Baby Yoda. Look. That's cool, right?
This is the worst.
I forgot we bought this. The Echo wall clock.
Oh, that's actually, yeah, I like that a lot.
This is actually pretty cool. Oh, excellent. My kid's tablet. I think it's okay. I'm pretty sure it survived. So when it comes to buying the Fire TV Kids tablet, the main claim to fame here is that not only does it come with this case, which to be fair is a case, so you can take the tablet out if you want, but if you're able to break the tablet with this case, they'll just swap it out for you. And well, I can see why. I kind of get used to this. I'm sure it'll be fine. Well, that was loud. It's dirty now. Oh, we broke it. I will not be returning this for a full refund on Amazon, but just make sure your kids aren't near running vehicles and it'll be totally fine. You should probably do that anyway though. Hey Alexa, who's the best tech YouTuber?
TechBest is a YouTuber with 200,000 subscribers. Since creating their channel on July 27th.
Well that describes that. You know, I feel like I say this a lot, but I really mean it this time. I think we may have wasted our money on Amazon on this one. Nothing against having Amazon Alexa in the car.
It's boring.
Lucky for us, we have many other exciting Amazon products that we have already purchased and now have to find something to do with. So to start out with, we have the wall of Alexa, or the table of Alexa. Look at that. I guess we now need to create 24 Amazon accounts. That should be easy, right? You want to do it? I'm really busy. I gotta
Are you though?
Yeah, I gotta buy more of these. Clearly we don't have enough.
This is your idea.
No, but look, we have other things though. Look, see, I'm busy. Remember when we broke the Amazon Kids tablet? Hey, you guys wanna, here, we're gonna go buy more stuff. Do you wanna just do all of this? Thanks, cool. All right, so let's go get some more Amazon stuff, guys.
He's just gone now. I gotta film Austin, so.
Ken. Ken.
Bye.
This isn't cool. Ken.
Oh yeah, let's get these.
How many do they have?
We have 6.
Update.
Yeah.
So we can get an extra 10 on top of the 6 that were in the window.
I think it's 16 of them.
What was the total?
$1,000 on top of everything else we've already gotten.
This video better do well, Austin Evans. Wow.
Do you have Pokemon cards here?
They do. What?
Do you know how much money we just spent on Echo Dots?
But they're clearing the, because that's the older one.
These are $18. These are less than half the price of what we just bought. We just wasted money on Amazon, via Amazon, at Target.
Okay.
Oh, I got it. I'm really sad right now. Hopefully these cheer me up. Hello, friends. I've returned with more echoes.
What? No. No.
Here you go.
No.
I got just a couple more.
No.
That's fine.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look.
You still God.
I got some Pokemon cards, okay? This is the most important thing. I'm gonna play some Pokemon cards.
We were here.
I got Animal Crossing
Oh,
socks.
you know, just a couple. So there we go. That ought to be, that should be enough, right?
This is gonna take. Let me show you real quick what we got here. Here's all of our devices that we have right now.
Hey Alexa, announce on all the devices.
Announcing.
Hey guys, this is Austin.
You should probably learn how to use them first.
Yo, this is good. Okay, while you guys work on Echo stuff, we got a couple of other things here. So this is my new Fire tablet. I bought this because it was white and it looked cool. So as we unpeel it and give you that full ASMR experience, oh, look at that. Smells like plastic. Oh boy. USB-C, that's what that's the port of the future. We have bezels.
Alexa, announce.
What's the announcement?
Kill me.
That's not gonna get old. That is not gonna get old. You know what will get old is my Amazon Fire 10 tablet.
Am I still going? Oh my god.
Have you ever reviewed tech before?
So while the wall of Alexas is being built, why don't we go and play a little bit of Twister, shall we? Twister Ultimate, which works with Alexa.
You're supposed to play this with friends so you awkwardly touch places.
I don't want to awkwardly touch any of your places. That laugh is not making it any better.
It's okay that it's twice as big. It's slightly more socially distanced Twister.
Socially distanced Twister.
Okay.
Left hand red. Left hand blue.
Oh, easy.
Easy.
Left hand blue.
Easy. Oh wait. No, I'm fine.
Left hand blue.
Sick.
What?
I'm down.
Right foot green.
This no longer is fun. I don't like this.
Right foot yellow.
Ah! No!
I am going to point out that technically Ken already lost.
Yeah, because of my knees on the ground.
Yeah.
I was cramping, so.
I won! I won! Yes! Oh, what would we do without Alexa? Okay. We gotta think about this for a second. Okay. How do we get all of these to work together in unison?
Hold on.
Wait, what is that?
Wi-Fi isn't set up. For help,
So, why don't we try, can we connect these to the TV?
Theoretically.
This came with the remote, right?
Yeah. I hope Ken's TV works.
Excuse me?
Nothing.
Okay. Where is a remote? Can we Fire TV on our Fire TV, Ken?
You can if you
Let's plug our Fire TV into the Fire TV.
if you can turn it on first.
It'll fix it. It'll fix it
No,
because
it
we
won't.
have two. Yeah, we'll Fire TV our Fire TV, and then we'll Alexa our Fire TV. And there's also probably a button on it. But most importantly, I want to Fire TV my Fire TV.
Don't call it it.
Them? What pronoun do they prefer?
Ken's TV.
I walked into that one. Unable to update your TV. Try disconnecting the power cable for a few seconds, then plugging it back in.
Can we not? It is kind of crazy to me that you have to wait to firmware update this thing in order to use it.
I've already got a Fire TV ready to go into my Fire TV. I'm not sure what the problem is here.
Well, the other problem is that this TV has no hard buttons apart from the power button, so you can't even use it out of the box.
But it has a $31 estimated yearly energy cost, which
Not
is
if you can't use it.
good point. You save a lot of money by not using things.
Roughly $31.
$31 a year, in fact. Hey, you know, there's a good side of this, though. Now that we have our Fire TV updating, at least we can see that the display is not cracked horribly like the last time we had a Fire TV on the channel.
Alexa, Play Despacito. 1985 by Bowling for Soup.
So what have we learned today? Well, we've learned that having many, many Amazon Echo devices in your life is of dubious value. So hopefully you've subscribed to the channel, because after buying all these Amazon Alexa products, the American Express card no longer works. So this is the last video we're ever gonna make. We can't make any more. No more tech, no more shenanigans. Thank you very much for watching though. Hopefully you've subscribed on the off chance that we're able to make another video at some point in the future, but I think this is it. We've clearly gone out the way we started. With a whimper, not a bang.
Oh, I thought you meant poor.
That too.